What's up, guys? Today we're going to be playing Brookhaven. Yahoo! Woo! Yeah! Let's go! I haven't played Brookhaven in a long time, so this is going to be memorable. It will change my life forever. Oh shoot, there's where someone is. Dude, you living there? Literally. I think it's one of those one houses. Here, let me get, I didn't really come that prepared. Sniper? Holy. Wow. Okay, well. Where's the... No. Where'd the sleeping bag go? That it? Perfect. Oh no, man. Come on, no. No, you sold. I'm leaving. I really just got caught too. People there, are they in a relationship? Oh wait, you don't hear me? Hold up. I don't think you guys can hear me. Hide? Gotta get up that hill. What? Perfect. Bro, this is actually kind of hard. Parkour. Perfect. Where's the sitting thing? Is it like here? These are safe. I want to get their attention. Okay. Oh, I need C4. Huh, a balloon. Oh, then you like run around the house with the guitar. Where's the C4? Unless there's like a search bar up there. There it is. Boop. I need to find my place first. And then can I find here? Oh no, I lost my bomb remote. Okay. ask you to go eat dinner? Oh, I think you're like, bro, what are those nails? Holy! Oh, wait, honestly, oh shoot, that guy's alive. Whoa, whoa. Are they trying to be romantic? Yes. I'll give you one, and I'll give you one. Yo, you're trying to run me over with a vacuum? Haha. Oh, shoot. Haha. You can't get me. Can you emote in this game? This is Fortnite. Hold up. Let me out. This is a boring couple. What the heck? I want to see that. Get out. I just got my nails done. Yo, whoa, what are you wearing, bro? I'm over here. Hee. Get up here. How do I get your attention? Boring. I'll trap him. Caution, roads may be icy. Uh-oh. No, bro. Bro, do they not care? Oh, shoot, no! Don't ring. No, I need to get out of here. Also, let's go. Bro, you think that's gonna stop me, bro? I'm still in here. Let's see, hold up. I'm just Bella. See if I can smack their door shut. ABC for a mom? No, wait. I didn't know I saw it. Okay, there we go. I think. What? Lollipop? This is like... hold up. I need to stop. How do I stop it? No. Okay. Oh yeah, that's kind of stuck. Pow. Oh, this one is way better. Holy. Have fun in your house, noob. Oh shoot. Oh shoot, hold up. How'd I fall? Oh, secret crevice. Nope. Is that rockin' rotisserie chicken? What'd I do? Oh shoot. There we go. I wonder if anyone's home. I can be cooked? There's also a basement on this thing? Bro. sucks. Oh shit. Yo, how do I? Aha. Best sniper spot. I don't like how it's so loud though. Look at this. What? No. I want to make a house of my own. I'm pretty sure I have the game pass. 10 minutes. Big castle house. Kind of boring. Goodbye. What is that cool? What? I can make it so that y'all can only see something. Oh, shoot, hold up. Go back. Alright, bye.